Hi, let me help you to go over this whole thing all over again, okay? Here, this is requirement worksheet, and okay, let me just delete this so that we can start from the scratch. Okay, good. So, here's the requirement paper, and here is the actual workbook that we are about to working on, okay? And let's go through item by item. So the first one, basically, we have done it, and we have opened this file, and as second instruction it says review sector 1, 2, 3, 4, and then create a new worksheet using the tab color olive green, accent 3 darker 25%. The tab name should be monthly sales analysis. Format the worksheet so that it looks similar to this figure right here. So if we drag it, and if you take a look at here, this newly created worksheet is a lot like what we're seeing here. Okay, a lot like what we're seeing here. So I've seen a lot of you really starting from scratch by clicking this. You're starting to put contents here, which is it is here. Starting to put contents from the scratch. If I were you, I'll do it this way. Okay, since this is a lot like this, I'm gonna just duplicate it. Okay, move or copy, create a copy, move it to the end. So it will duplicate a copy at the end of section 4 worksheet. Okay, so now we have this, and double click it, you rename it. It says it's a monthly sales analysis, and then it tells us to kind of rename recolor it into olive color. I'm not gonna worry about the exact color right now, but it seems like I've got it right. Okay, so and then I need to correct here. Okay, I need to correct this here because how do you know where the contents is? Basically, click here. You see, it showed up here. You do not necessarily have to merge and put them into the center. Okay, so this thing is actually not merged. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just replace it with monthly sales analysis. Okay, I'm gonna delete rest of it. Okay, and I basically have to delete all of them. Delete. You can just click your delete key. Everything will be gone, and we have to correct these items here. It says phones sold. Okay, phones sold, and the sales totals here. Okay, let me correct it. I'm trying to make it exactly the same. Totals. Okay. Here is sales average. Okay. Okay. Now we have every column correct. Okay. And then I'm not going to worry about the color now. Okay. So I'm going to concentrate how to complete all these things here. So supposedly this column should contains number of phones sold in all different sections here. We have 4 different sections, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 monthly sales analysis. So in order to complete this, you might want to use a 3D reference. Okay, again, 3D referencing means that you are going to reference the data in some other worksheets. So in this case, this is exactly what we want. You are about to, okay, you are going to, okay, let me enlarge it a little bit. You are going to referencing the data located in some other worksheets here, okay? So here, what we're going to do, the easiest way probably is to just click, I just enter an equal sign and go to section 1, and here's phones sold, okay? Click this, and plus, go to section 2, okay? Okay, make sure you have plus here. I'm sorry. So, okay, let me do it all over again, okay? Let me just do it all over again. So, I'm starting from this, and I'm gonna go here, click this cell right here, plus, I need to know Samsung cells in section 2, in section 3, in section 4. This is easy. It's no-brainer. I mean, this is the most simple way to do that. Okay, and make sure that you have C5 from section 1, you have C5 from section 2, you have C5 from section 3, and so forth, okay? Make sure you don't have anything from monthly sales analysis worksheet, okay? Because we're not getting any from the worksheet, okay? And then click this, and it'll put 136 here. And this is the most primitive way to do it. Okay, this is the most simple way to do that. I'm not going to do it this way. Okay, I'm going to use more simple way, more advanced way to complete this. This is actually what I require all of you to do. Okay, you're going to use sum formula. Okay, you're going to use this section 1. Okay, make sure you have space in between section and number 1. And from section 1 to section 4. Okay, use single quotation mark. You need to close single quotation mark and exclamation mark. And the data is located in C5 in every worksheet. Okay, so you basically need to memorize this way of referencing a range of worksheets. Okay, this is actually can be learned, actually can be memorized. But it seems like a lot of students don't believe this thing can be memorized. But really, it can be memorized. It's just beginning worksheet name with a semicolon, and the ending worksheet name, closing the single quotation mark, and exclamation mark, and the position of the cell coordinate. Boom, enter. Oops, I'm sorry. Must be wrong. Okay, here, yeah. As I demonstrate to you, mistakenly enter this one more time. So now we have everything correct. Actually, I need to correct this too. We don't have section 5. We only have section 4 here. So make sure you have everything exactly the same as mine. And click this button right here. Boom. It's got the total number of phones sold across all different sections. Okay? You can just drag it like this. Okay? But we're gonna wait. Okay, let me finalize this. Okay, let's go back and take a look here. So I think the sales total is located in D5 in each section. Okay, so in D5 in each section. So I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna use the same thing here. Sum, and starting from single quotation mark, starting from section 1. Section 4, closing single quotation mark, exclamation mark, and then it's D5. Okay, D5 is the coordinate where all of the sales totals are located in all these worksheets. And press enter. Oh, what's wrong here? So I don't know what's wrong here. Let me try it again, okay? It just happened a minute ago. Let me try it all over again. Okay, it's my bad. Sum and the single quotation, section 1, section 4. Okay, section 4, and the closing it, exclamation mark, D5. I think I may have entered this as section 5 mistakenly, which does not really exist. Okay, now you have this number right here. And how do you actually get sales average here? A lot of you are trying to use average here, okay, which is fine. You can just do it again. Average from section 1 semicolon, section 4. I'm not gonna enter section 5 again. And the exclamation mark C, which is D5, okay, because all the sales total number are located in D5. So, okay, so this is one way to do it at. Okay, another simpler way to calculate the sales average is actually, you can actually divide this number right here by 4, okay, because we have 4 different different sections. You can just do it like this. It will get you a same number. Okay, it's actually fine whichever you use it. Okay, so I'm gonna prefer stay here like this. And then the format doesn't look right. Okay, if you take a look at this requirement paper, it doesn't say it here, but number of phones sold cannot have decimal, so I'm gonna just decrease it by clicking here. Decrease it, and sales total should have more than 10. Okay, because this is this is a currency. I can use it as a currency format, okay, and also the sales average. If you didn't do it, it's fine, okay. It's not a requirement. So, okay, and then what I need to do is I need to just drag it like this, okay. So make sure you, if you don't know how to drag it, this is actually called fill in series. You fill them in series. So I'm filling this empty space here by dragging it, okay. In this way, it's filling the space with the values in the first row. So dragging it. So you see this little white cross here, okay? As you hover around to the corner here, okay, I'm explaining this because some students still doesn't know how to make this thing work, okay? You see the cross is changed in terms of color, in terms of shape. So you drag it like this, release, okay? And then click this here, fill without formatting, okay? So we have something like this. And since we need to correct formatting here, I'm probably gonna do it again, okay? And these are this is actually fine with this, okay? These two need to be look like a currency here, okay? And some of you with a sharp eye probably have noticed here that the line doesn't really match, okay? So you probably can recall from previous class that we actually try to correct it by to insert some custom formatting symbol, okay? So skip this part if you think it's too complicated for you, okay? So it's fine. So click OK, and we have just inserted a space, and everything will be look really neat and really organized. Okay. As a next step, what I need to do is I need to create a pie chart. Okay. So before you go out there and insert a pie chart, what you need to do is you need to select a right range of data which you are going to use to create a pie. Okay, so in our case, this is our range of data. Okay, and I go to insert here, and I go to here. This is pie shape. So click it. This is what we need, 3D pie, and then it says we need to use number 3 style. And here, and correct it, double click it, it's going to help you starting to correct it. Consolidated expense. And this is what it says. And just click empty space here, okay, just click empty space here, and it's going to, yeah, in most of the times it's going to let you move around this little block right here, okay. I know that in our requirement paper it says we need to adjust it to the certain size, okay. Okay, let me see where it is. Should be, and okay, starting from A12, okay, in the lower right corner appears in cell J30, A12 to J30. So this is what it wants. So starting from A12 here, and then it has to be as large as this dimension here, J30. J30 here. Okay, this is about right. And the next thing you need to do, you need to explode this Samsung piece. Okay, so because in this way, the most outstanding one is this one right here. Okay, LG. You see, because this is 3D, since the angle is a little bit distorted, so we are actually the LG looks larger than Samsung because of distortion. Okay, so we're gonna make it correct by rotate it, and by take a piece out of the entire pie. So here, a little bit tricky operation here. Please take closer look here. Okay, as I click once, I'll just left click once. Okay, So you see, we see dot here, here. See dot in these locations. This means that every piece has got selected. Every piece got selected. As you right click it, it's going to let you format the entire data series. Okay, that's not what I want. In this case, because we need to format this piece only, what we need to do is click this one more time. Left click it one more time. Okay, now you see we only see 3 dots here, which is indicative of selection on this piece only. And right click it, this is turned to format data point. This is what we want. Okay, and right click it, select this format data point. You see options here. So I'm gonna put 25%. Okay, I'm gonna put 25% as the requirement goes, and then I'm gonna rotate it in 270 degrees. Okay, 27 degrees. Press enter. It's gonna turn like this. Okay, I think we have almost everything. Let me think. Okay, one thing left is how to format your header. Okay, you can actually go 2 places to format your header and footer. One thing I want to do is, one way I want to do today is go to here, page layout. Okay, page layout. So this is actual work layout. We call it normal layout, and this is our page layout here. And as you click this, Excel is going to show the work as the way it is going to be printed on papers. So here you can see that our pie chart is so large that one paper cannot fit it. Okay, cannot contain it. So actually seeing that Excel has used 2 pieces of paper to contain every contents. Later I'm actually gonna correct it back. Okay, later I'm gonna correct it so that it will fit in 1 page size. But now let's correct our header. Okay, I'm gonna put my name here. Okay, when, and I'm gonna put a course name here. So our course code is BUS 215D. This is our course code D, and here I'm gonna insert the dates and the dates and the time. For some reason it's disabled here. Okay, I don't know why, but I think I can. Yeah, this is actually a very good opportunity for me to show you another way to make this thing work. Okay, so okay, let's bring it back to the normal view. Let's bring it back to the normal view here, and you see as we come back, you can actually see this dash dot here that indicates the boundary of the first page. Okay, this is what it is. Okay, let's go to here and let's go to print. Okay, let's go to page setup, and here is header and footer again. Okay, this is actually another way you can do that. Okay, let me go back. Let me show you again. Okay, let me unselect my pie chart. Okay, let me just click here, somewhere here. Let me just click somewhere here. Go here and print. Okay, go here, print. You see that everything is here. You see here's 2 pages. Here is actually second part is showed on the second page. I'm gonna correct this header thing first in here. Page setup and header and footer, custom header. Okay, I think I just put my name here. When, and somehow it didn't work back there. But I'm sure this one will work for sure. Comma, and put your time here. And here I need to put a BUS 215D and click OK. And I'm not gonna do anything to footer, although you can. Okay. Okay. So you see, as I completed, every page here has header. Okay. Second page, first page. Okay. Now how do you scale it? How do you scale it down so that everything can fit in to 1 page and 1 page only? Okay, so take a look at here. Here we have a scaling option. Okay, scaling option. So click this. I would like my contents to fit in in 1 page. So this is actually going to scale it down so that everything will fit in 1 page and 1 page only. Click it. Okay, like this. So let's go back. We have everything so far. So everything looks so great. And if you've done it so far, you have done everything so far, it means that you have perfect understanding about the second assignments of the Excel. Okay? I will see you in third assignment of Excel. Thank you.